right, you guys, if any of you are like me and you struggle with planning art projects, this video is going to be for you. So if you guys saw any of my videos over the summertime about what curriculum we're using and the flip throughs that I did, you know that we are going to be using the Simply Charlotte Mason picture studies for our art curriculum this year. And I'll link that up here in case you guys want to check it out. And then we are going to also be incorporating the DK books based on the artists that we're going to be studying. But I thought that it would be so fun if we actually tried to recreate some of these beautiful paintings that they made. And as I was looking for resources to do that, I came across Kids Art Box. And so I contacted them and they were kind enough to send me their box on Monet. They have so many great boxes, you guys. And so I'm going to do an unboxing of their art subscription box and give you guys a look inside, let you see what all you get with their subscription. I think that this is going to be such a fun way to approach art this year because everything is already laid out for me. I don't need to go to the store and worry about having, you know, X amount of supplies or anything like that. And the kids will get to have art come to life for them by actually painting some of these beautiful paintings that they're going to be learning about. So I'm going to flip around the camera and give you guys a peek inside. All right, you guys, so before I jump into unboxing everything, they do have multiple boxes. So they have boxes designed for kids who are ages 3 to 7 that are designed to do together with a parent. And then they also have boxes that are designed for kids who are 6 to 18 years old. Now, you can do a one-time fee if you want to try the box just, you know, one time, be one and done to see how you like it. That would be $48. And then if you did a monthly subscription, that would be $38 a month. If you sign up for a 3-month subscription, that's $110, and a 6-month subscription is $210. And then one of the nice things too is you don't just have the option of purchasing the current month's box. If they have them available, you can also purchase the past boxes as well. So I thought that that was a really cool option. So when you open it up, you get a thank you letter, and then you get artist info on the artist that you chose. So it says, thank you for purchasing my artist box. Each box focuses on one artist, their life, their techniques, and their masterpieces. Focus will be on both well-known and lesser-known artists, as it is important to expose children to a variety of work. With this box, you will be able to read a short biography of the artist along with hands-on experience of some of their masterpieces. Learning about different artists gives children a sense of art appreciation and shows them a different way to explore the world around them. And then this one just talks about how it is on Monet. So these will be the pictures that the kids will get to recreate. Now they do have the option of purchasing a binder that goes with these little cards to hold them. So if you're going to stick with the box long term, that would be a good investment. And then on the next page, you get the artist that you're studying, the activities in this month's box, which is 4 paintings, the items that you'll need, and then what's provided in this month's box. So I'll give you guys a quick preview of what all comes inside of it. And then going to the next page, you get information about Claude Monet. You get a biography and some interesting facts. And then it jumps into the photos that you're going to be recreating. So it gives you the title, some information, and then what they provide and what you're going to need. And the things that you're going to need is not going to be anything crazy. It's things that you should have around the house, like a cookie sheet, a glass of water, and then paper towels or a towel for cleanup. And then on the next page, you're going to get a step-by-step guide on how to recreate the painting. So it gives you a walkthrough. And then on the next one is the following project that you're going to do. Again, you get what they provide, what you're going to need. This is basically the same materials as the last photo, but you will also need some scissors and a pencil. So again, it's nothing that you shouldn't have already laying around the house. And then you get your step-by-step guide. And then you will learn the Impressionism technique. It goes over what that is, what they provide, what you're going to need, and then, I'm dropping things, and then another step-by-step guide. So this is what it should look like by the end. And then for your last one, you'll do a water lilies diorama. And look at how cute that is, you guys. I thought that was adorable. I can't wait till my kids make that. And then it says expand your vocabulary. That's the last page, and it goes over the different words that your child is going to be learning throughout doing this box. So they will get to study all of these words and their meanings and just leave a little bit more educated than what they started with in terms of art vocabulary. All right, and then the next thing that comes in the box are all of the supplies. So your child will get a large paintbrush. You'll get some premium oil pastels, a set of 12, and then 12 washable watercolor sets. You'll get some glue and washable tempera paint. And then it looks like the canvases and the things that you will be using for your projects are set up in bags, which is really nice. You don't have to go and sort through anything. You can just grab the bag and go. And then it has the number for the project that it is paired on. So let me open up one of these to show you guys. That's actually really nice because not all subscription boxes separate their supplies like that. So I think that's really nice for busy moms who just, you know, need to hit the easy button a little bit. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of the unboxing and how we are going to be approaching art this year. I was so excited to find a box that pairs well with our Simply Charlotte Mason picture study curriculum. I think that is just going to be a home run with the kids. They keep asking me to get them an art box. They have no idea that I have this, so I think they're going to be so excited when I finally roll it out with our picture studies and they get to do some fun planned painting activities. So let me know down below, have you tried this box? What did you think of it? Did you enjoy it? How are you approaching art this year? I would love to hear that as well, whatever you're using, what curriculum that may be, what projects you may have planned. Another thing that I really love about this subscription box is it was created from a mom in her home. And I think that is just completely wonderful when moms put their passion into practice and they put wonderful products out into the world for us to all just bask in. So if you love supporting small businesses, make sure that you go check out this subscription box. I'm going to link their website down below in the description bar. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you again later. Bye.